So, andito tayo ngayon sa Elaro New Valley by Ayala Premier. This is a high-end residential subdivision and we will check a new foreclosed vacant lot. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the property. 1,023 square meters. Total lot area niya. It's a corner lot. Again, this is Elaro New Valley by Ayala Premier. This is a high-end subdivision of Ayala. Frontage niya is around 39 meters. So, yung pinaka muhon niya is mula dito, yan. Yang tubo na orange na yang tubo na gray na yan or yang puno na yan hanggang dun sa kabilang street, because again this is a corner lot. Nasa 39.60 meters yung frontage niya. So hanggang dito siya, hanggang dun sa may kabilang puno na yon. Yan. And this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So hanggang dito po siya. Yan. Yan, yung tubo na gray na yan. Hanggang dun. Okay, and meron na rin po kayong kapitbahay, ayan. Tapat niya. Okay. So pumapatak po siya around 43,000 per square meter, because ang total nga po nito is 1,023 square meters. Ayan. And then ang setbacks po natin dito, 5 meters ang front. And then side and rear, 3 meters po siya. And then ang height limit po natin is 9 meters from the highest point of your property. Okay? And then orientation natin is southeast. So ito po, ayan yung magiging frontage natin. Yan. Yan magiging harapan natin. And again, utilities natin dito, since high-end po tayo dito, underground po ang water and electric. And if you notice, even yung roads po natin dito are asphalt. Okay? Whether main road or secondary road, aspalto po siya. So ngayon kasi masasabi mo talaga na high-end yung subdivision, yung mga bagong subdivision ngayon, if yung roads nila aside from wide, aspalto rin po siya. Hindi lang po siya underground when it comes to the electric, pati yung roads, yon, aspalto, secondary or main road. So again, if you are interested to make an offer or bid for this property and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. So ito yung pinaka basketball court niya. Then swimming pool nila, infinity. And parks and playground. Dito yung parks and playground niya. Ang ganda talaga dito. Iba talagang atake pag Ayala Premier. Parks and Playground. Yan swimming pool. Natin yung swimming pool nila. So another function hall. Function hall.
Receive any evidence outside of the complaint, because whether or not the plaintiff has a cause of action is determined only by the allegations in the complaint. Outside of that will be a right of action. You must have learned that under the old rules, when the complaint fails to state a cause of action and the defendant successfully filed and maintained a motion to dismiss on this ground, the plaintiff cannot just amend the complaint. The plaintiff must file a new complaint where it will state a cause of action. Otherwise, the premise then was that a complaint which does not state a cause of action is no more than a scrap of paper. So no amendment can rectify the same. Under the present rules, however, even when the complaint does not state a cause of action and the defendant filed a motion to dismiss on this ground, successfully showing that the complaint